Welcome back to Engineer Civil. Today, we're diving into the heart of your smartphone, the processor. It's the brain that controls everything from browsing, speed to gaming performance. So, which processors are leading the pack in 2024? Let's break it down. First up, we have the reigning champion, the Apple A17 Bionic. This powerhouse processor, found in the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max, boasts incredible efficiency and raw power. Imagine editing 4K videos on your phone. The A17 Bionic makes it a breeze. Its superior AI capabilities also enhance features like facial recognition and voice assistance, making your daily tasks smoother and faster. On the Android side, we have two heavy hitters. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 delivers top-notch performance for gamers and power users. It's featured in phones like the Vivo X90 Pro Plus, allowing you to experience the latest games with stunning graphics and silky smooth frame rates. Plus, the Snapdragon's advanced multitasking capabilities let you seamlessly switch between demanding apps. Now, the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 is a game changer for the mid-range segment. This processor offers excellent performance at a competitive price. Take the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G, for example. With the Dimensity 9300, you can enjoy a great balance of power and affordability, perfect for everyday tasks and even some light gaming. So how do these processors translate to productivity? Here's the key. A powerful processor allows your phone to handle demanding tasks quickly and efficiently. Whether you're editing documents, attending video conferences, or managing complex projects, these processors ensure a lag-free experience, saving you valuable time. But that's not all. Advanced AI features powered by these processors can streamline your workflow. Imagine a voice assistant that anticipates your needs, or a camera that automatically enhances your documents. These features are just the tip of the iceberg, and they all rely on a strong processor to function effectively. Ultimately, the best processor for you depends on your needs and budget. If raw power is your priority, the A17 Bionic or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 are top choices. But for value-conscious users, the Dimensity 9300 is a great option. Remember, the processor is just one piece of the puzzle. Make sure to consider other factors like battery life and camera quality when choosing your next smartphone. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more tech insights next time.